Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this phone number cannot be used by iMessage and FaceTime on your Apple devices. So guys, if you are trying to use iMessage and FaceTime but you are unable to associate your number with iMessage or FaceTime, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then scroll it below and tap on general. Tap on software update and update your software, and after this go back and tap on date and time and set your date and time from here, or turn on the toggle for set automatically. And after this go back and tap on language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. After this go back and now tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. And after this go back and now check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to go to screen time, and from here you have to simply tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here. And after this go back and now you have to simply search here for FaceTime or iMessage. Here it is, and from here you have to simply turn off the toggle for FaceTime for one time from your device. So guys, here you can see this, you have to simply turn it off, and after this turn it on back and now check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go back and now you have to open your profile and now scroll it below and sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time. And after this restart your device and then sign in your Apple ID again and then check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to the Sport app on the Apple device. Here you can see this, open this Sport app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.